Why do 80% of businesses struggle with social media engagement? It's because they need expert content creation. Let's fix that. We are creative graphic designers, and we specialize in crafting captivating social media content that resonates with your audience. Whether you're in cleaning, retail, clothing, farming, or beauty, we've got you covered. Imagine this: business plans that map your path to success. Professional profiles showcasing your brand's unique qualities. Proposals that attract clients and partners. Industries we serve. Cleaning companies create a spotless image with engaging content. Retail and wholesalers boost product visibility and drive sales. Clothing and textiles showcase your latest collections with stunning visuals. Farming, share your story with authentic, relatable posts. Hair salons and beauty spas attract clients with transformations and beauty tips. So why choose us? Tailored content that fits your brand's voice and vision. Audience engagement strategies to grow your online community. Results-driven focus to increase your reach and drive business growth. Let's collaborate and make your brand shine. Contact us today and start your content creation journey. Discover the art of design. Design that delivers results. Unlock your business's potential with expert social media content creation. Thanks for watching.